getting off the elevator. We were trying to find a room 312. Okay, this is our room 312 at Gai Ido. Okay, so the Japanese door, and then just open it with the key. Okay, so this is the entrance. So very typical ryokan, you have to take off your shoes and then wear the slipper to walk in. Actually, we got the smallest room on this floor because all other room has a lot of beds. So this is the one with the 2 beds, so I picked this one, and we are only here for 1 night. Okay, so they got the hot spring outfit and the socks and everything in the closet. And then this is the outer coat for winter to wear outside the outfit. And then a powder room at the door. And then even the smallest room, they got the Japanese bathtub, the wooden bathtub, the setup and everything. So very cool. And then also for the hot spring and a specific amenities. So it's all when you walk in. And then this is a door that can close, a very typical Japanese door. And then when I open, I'm right inside my bedroom. As I say, we got the smallest room, which is comfortable for us for 1 night stay here. And no matter how small it is, the decor and everything is still in place. With like the centerpiece, the center stage, and then the sofa area for relaxing, and then the lower type of like a tatami beds. So pretty cool for us for 1 night here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you put it in.
It's
okay.
Oh, it's okay, yes. Yes, leather is so heavy. Be careful. 皆様がこのボトル1本分 50ml 分の椿油集めたいと思った場合はですね、皆様本日だいたい4個から
Kalian nggak coba lah.